is Andrew and I'm 10 years old.
Earlier this week, we made these little booklets, and Mom already cut out the pieces of paper for us, and they've just got some questions about what's going on right now, like what our name is, our age, our friends, favorite TV shows, a letter to self, what's going on right now, how you feel, and all you have to, and once you've made this, all you have to do is punch a hole in each one of them and put the little ringlet thingamajigabobs in them, and then you've got a little book. Yeah. And I think this is important because we can go back and look into this. Oh yeah, that happened, that kind of stuff. So my thoughts.
So this is my family portrait, and this is the book I made about quarantine. These are some of the questions, like what's going on, the things I want to do and grow up, what's your favorite part of being at home, how you feel right now, and the end.
So what are you going to do with these when you want to turn it into a book? What has to happen next?
We're going to
Get pictures printed?
get pictures printed and put them on.
Like last summer?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to come around and why don't you show me what we made last summer? Let's see, show me a little bit about what you made last summer and how you did
Here's
it.
our first trip to Utah.
Put it flat on the table. There you go.
First trip to Utah, and we're all traveling, and we're at Golden Spike. We're playing train or something like that, and oh, this is my favorite day ever because this is Zion Park. The reason why it's my favorite day is because there were a lot of schools there, and they really they went up close to people, and I love them. And here's, oh yeah, Capitol Reef. And right now I'm pretending like I'm hanging off a cliff.
That's Andrew.
That's me.
Oh, it's Andrew.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
I thought I did that.
Oh,
So why don't we talk about these books? We brought them with us on the trip, right? But we didn't have the photos printed, obviously. So what did we do every day on the trip when the day was over?
we wrote these down.
Right? And so then when we got home, did
We
we...
printed them out, like this picture of a lizard.
That's right. Well, that was a great book and something you can be proud of. Christopher, why don't you show me one of your books that you've made either with your friends. Tell me about your kids' crop when you made this book.
We had a kids crop, and I made this book about the beach last year. It was last year, yes, 2019. So, we got at the hotel. We got our own room this time. We'll have to sleep on those couch beds. So what we did was we had these squares, and we got to decide which ones we wanted to use for each page. And then we would put the picture on it, do journaling on this side, and just do that for as long as we wanted. And then we put the little thing in it, and you've got a book.
You do.
So.
Can you show me your book from Utah? How much journaling you did?
Sure.
Oh, and I know there's a lot of details that we wouldn't have remembered if you hadn't written it every day of the trip, right?
So here's us about to head out. We're at Zion there. Dad loved that. He loves trains. Yeah, that was fun. It was freezing. It was raining. So yeah, I loved that.
But look at all your great journaling. There's a lot of detail there. Was it hard to do on the trip to have to write down every day, or was it?
It was so easy. At the end of the day, we just write down about what we did that day. Yep. And
Okay. That's
we
great.
talk about the end.
Well, we got sick at the end with food poisoning, so it wasn't the best end ever.